Okay, I got my video recording cut me off. At the end of this problem, you should have had P equals negative 18, and then we checked that. Okay, for this one, we've got negative 2/3 W equals 10. You can either divide each side by your coefficient of negative 2/3, or you can multiply by its reciprocal. Don't forget the negative sign, you just flip it upside down. So now I've got W equals 10 times negative 3/2. Leave it in this format. And you would get negative 15. You can go back in and check that. So if I do in the calculator, alpha y equals negative 2/3 times W. We said W was negative 15. Hit enter, and we get 10. So that is correct. Now, when you have decimals, it's the same process, just with decimals. So this says T minus 3.5. It's the same process. We're just doing the inverse operation. So we're just adding the opposite. We're adding 3.5 to each side. So now we have T equals negative 9.6 plus 3.5 in your calculator. Negative 9.6 plus 3.5, and you get negative 6.1. You would substitute back and solve. Negative 6.1 minus 3.5. Verify you get the same answer. Negative 6.1 minus 3.5. You get negative 9.6. So that is correct. And our last one. Some number divided by 2.4 equals 13.8. Well, the opposite of dividing by 2.4 is to multiply times 2.4. Let me use that. So we're going to multiply times 2.4. So I'm going to multiply each side times 2.4. Y equals 13.8 times 2.4. Get out my calculator. 13.8 times 2.4, and I get y equals 33.12. And then I would substitute that back, 33.12. I would divide by 2.4. See if I get 13.8. 33.12 divided by 2.4. And I do get 13.8, so my solution is correct. So now that you're done with the notes page, you need to look at your agenda, which is on Canvas. It's also in your journal on page 38. But if you look here, we've done the video notes. You need to move on to your first activity.